Okay, my friends, welcome back. Today we are going to show you how to replace the supports for the freezer lower basket, which there's missing one here. It's these supports here, and this one here is just kind of held on with a cable tie. So the first thing I'm going to do is turn off the refrigerator. We'll unplug it. So, get another look at this. These are the basket, they're called retainers. You can call them supports, whatever. And you don't have to take the drawer out or the front off in order to do that. But let me show you the supports that we have here. Okay, so these are the supports. Now, when you buy these from Sub-Zero, I'll give you the part number right here. There's $753.99, comes in a set of 4. Okay, I have a bunch of rights but no lefts, so I guess the lefts break more often. Now, when you buy these, you see these little red supports here, protectors, protect the threads. Well, they used to come with nuts, and you would screw them on, but they don't come like that anymore. They just come with this because the weight of the basket is what holds this in place. But if you lift the basket out and this is loose, the clip could come out and you could lose it or get lost somewhere. So I bought these nuts. They're nylon nuts which hold the threads in place. Hold the nut in place so that it doesn't come unscrewed. So that's the left, and I think this is the right. It's going to go on like that, and the left is going to go on like this. So let's put these on. But before we do, we want to get a wrench. I believe 3/8. So use this 3/8 wrench to tighten these up. So we'll put that in there like that. We'll put the nut on the bottom. Of course, you're going to have to take the basket out to do this. So let me get a ratchet. Be faster. Let's do it this way. It's faster. I'm not going to tighten it all the way until the basket's settles in. Let me get a cutter for that. There you go. All right, now let's put the basket back in. Now, on this basket, you notice there is a difference in the corners, right? You see this big loops. Those loops go in the back. If you put it in the wrong way, the door won't close properly. Okay, so you see how that fits into there. Now, let's put the upper basket back in. By the way, if you take this out and this piece falls out, just look at it like you can see that it goes underneath here. If you mix up the sides, you can tell by the opening because this sits on the shelf itself. So let me get it in there, and that's how it goes, both sides. And you just sit it on top of that, make it level, and then push it back slowly, and then it will catch, and that's it. And that's how you take the baskets out. To take this one out, the upper, you just pick it up and pull it away. Take the ice bucket out if you have a tray full of ice. That's it. And that's how you change the supports, take out the baskets, and we will see you on the next one.